Hey guys, welcome back to my page. On the last video, we made cauliflower pizza. On today's video, my favorite chef is showing us how to make zucchini pasta.
Zucchini pasta.
Yum.
Yum.
You need one of those tools.
What is that? These are literally like $3.
What is this?
So it's a little zucchini spiral.
Zucchini spiral. Okay.
There's all kinds. There's handheld cranks. You spin. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna stick the zucchini in it and I'm gonna manually. Leaving it in there so we're not eating raw zucchini. And that's it. Super quick. Because it's super thin. The thinner the zucchini, the less you want to go in there. This is just going to turn to brown butter, which basically means nutty, cooked down brown butter. And that's what's going to be the sauce for you. It'll be almonds, brown butter, and cheese on this, aka called spaghetti. And I get the brown butter.
This was pretty simple. I can't wait to try this with the family. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.
Bye.
Bye!
Bye.
You can check out the last video here.